Hey guys, welcome back to another video by SmartPath Tutoring. In this video, we're looking at GCSE chemistry, focusing on factors affecting the rates of reaction. So the rate of reaction depends on four main factors: temperature, concentration of a solution or pressure of a gas, surface area, and the presence of a catalyst. All of these increase the rate of reaction by increasing the number of successful collisions between reacting particles. More collisions increase the rate of reaction. All methods of increasing the rate of reaction can be explained using collision theory. They increase the number of successful collisions between reacting particles. Increasing the temperature increases the rate. When the temperature increases, the particles gain more kinetic energy and they move faster. Because the particles move faster, they collide more often and they collide with more energy. More particles now have energy greater than or equal to the activation energy, so more collisions are successful. The result of this is that the rate of reaction increases. Increasing the concentration or pressure increases the rate. So, concentration, also known as solutions. If a solution is made more concentrated, there are more reactant particles in the same volume. Particles collide more frequently. This increases the rate of reaction. Pressure, known as gases. If the pressure of a gas is increased, the particles are squeezed into a smaller volume. They are closer together and collisions happen more frequently. This increases the rate of reaction. Increasing the surface area also increases the rate. So if one large piece of a solid is broken into smaller pieces, the surface area to volume ratio increases. More particles are exposed and more collisions can happen at the surface. Therefore, the reaction happens faster. Using a catalyst increases the rate. A catalyst is a substance that speeds up a reaction without being used up. Catalysts provide an alternative reaction pathway. This pathway has a lower activation energy. Because the activation energy is lower, more particles have enough energy to react. More collisions become successful, and this increases the reaction rate. Enzymes are biological catalysts. They speed up reactions inside living organisms. Exam tips. All four factors increase rate by increasing the number of successful collisions. Higher temperature increases both the frequency and the energy of the collisions. Higher concentration, known as solutions, and higher pressure, known as gases, increases the number of collisions by packing particles closer together. Smaller pieces of solid react faster because they have a larger surface area. A catalyst does not get used up and works by lowering the activation energy, not by giving particles more energy.